Most riders over 60 care more about comfort, smooth riding, and reliability than chasing crazy speed numbers. That's exactly why shaft-drive motorcycles still have such a loyal following. No messy chain maintenance, no constant adjustments, just simple, relaxed riding. Today, we're counting down 5 comfortable Japanese shaft-drive retro bikes that combine classic styling, smooth engines, low maintenance, and easy touring manners. These are the kinds of motorcycles that let you enjoy the road without feeling beaten up afterward. And by the time we reach number 1, you might start wondering why modern bikes became so unnecessarily complicated. Number 5. Yamaha XJR 1300. The Yamaha XJR 1300 feels like a motorcycle from a time when engineers cared more about soul than touchscreen menus. Big air-cooled inline-4 engine, muscular retro styling, wide handlebars, and a riding position that doesn't demand a chiropractor appointment after every Sunday cruise. For riders over 60, the XJR 1300 delivers something many newer motorcycles lost along the way: honest mechanical character combined with real-world comfort. And let's be honest, there's something deeply satisfying about riding a machine that still looks like a motorcycle instead of a spaceship designed by an energy drink company. The massive 1,251 cubic centimeter engine produces smooth, effortless torque that feels perfectly tuned for experienced riders. You don't have to scream through the rev range or pretend you're qualifying for MotoGP just to enjoy the bike. Roll on the throttle, and the XJR surges forward with calm authority, almost like it's saying, "Relax, we've done this before." The suspension is plush enough for longer rides, the seat is genuinely comfortable, and the upright ergonomics help reduce pressure on the wrists, shoulders, and lower back. Even at lower speeds, the bike feels planted and confidence-inspiring, important when your knees now send weather reports before rainstorms arrive. Now, technically, the XJR 1300 uses a traditional chain drive rather than a shaft drive, but many older riders still love it because maintenance remains refreshingly straightforward compared to modern high-tech motorcycles overloaded with electronics. There's easy access to components, proven reliability, and a mechanical simplicity that makes ownership feel less stressful. Plus, the bike has that timeless Japanese build quality that earned rider loyalty for decades. It's the kind of motorcycle that makes you want to take the long way home, even if your back politely requests the short route afterward. But if you think the XJR 1300 delivers old-school comfort and personality, wait until you see number 4. Number 4, Kawasaki W800 is pure retro motorcycling done right. Everything about this bike feels calm, charming, and unintimidating. It doesn't try to overwhelm you with giant touchscreens, 20 riding modes, or enough electronic warnings to feel like you're launching a space shuttle. Instead, it focuses on delivering one thing extremely well: an enjoyable riding experience. And for riders over 60, that simplicity becomes part of the luxury. You climb on, press the starter, hear that beautiful old-school exhaust note, and instantly remember why motorcycles were fun long before every bike started looking like a fighter jet designed during an energy drink overdose. Its 773 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine is wonderfully smooth and predictable, with a relaxed personality that feels perfectly matched to mature riders. The power delivery is gentle but satisfying, the throttle response is forgiving, and the low-end torque makes everyday riding effortless. Around town on scenic back roads or during relaxed weekend cruises, the W800 never feels stressful or demanding. The bike also carries its weight low, which makes slow speed handling much easier than many larger modern motorcycles. That matters a lot when your knees occasionally remind you that you're not 25 anymore every time you stop at a red light. Even the clutch action feels light and manageable, reducing fatigue during longer rides or heavier traffic situations. The retro styling is another huge part of the appeal. Chrome accents, classic gauges, Spoked wheels and timeless body lines give the W800 genuine vintage character without the headaches older motorcycles sometimes bring. Comfort here is surprisingly good too. The upright ergonomics, wide handlebars, supportive seat, and forgiving suspension create a relaxed riding position that's much kinder on your back, shoulders, and wrists during long days in the saddle. This is the kind of motorcycle that encourages you to slow down, enjoy the scenery, wave at strangers, and stop caring about lap times or horsepower bragging contests. It's peaceful motorcycling in the best possible way. But if you want something with even more long-distance comfort and touring capability, number 3 takes things to another level. At number 3, Honda ST300. The Honda ST300 may not always get the attention of flashier touring motorcycles, but riders who own one tend to keep them forever. And there's a reason for that. This motorcycle delivers smoothness, reliability, and long-distance comfort in a way very few bikes ever have. Its 1,261 cubic centimeter V4 engine is unbelievably refined, producing effortless torque that makes highway passing feel easy without needing to constantly work the gearbox. The shaft drive adds another layer of relaxed ownership. No messy chain lubrication, no adjusting tension in the garage after every long ride, and no crawling around on the floor wondering where your reading glasses disappeared to. For riders over 60, that kind of low-maintenance dependability starts feeling less like a luxury and more like pure wisdom. Power delivery feels silky smooth, highway cruising becomes effortless, and vibration is kept incredibly low, even after hours in the saddle. This is the kind of motorcycle that quietly eats hundreds of miles while you remain surprisingly comfortable. The seating position is upright and natural, the seat itself is generously padded, and the wind protection from that large fairing is excellent for reducing fatigue on long trips. Honda also gave the ST1300 outstanding stability at highway speeds, making it feel planted and confidence-inspiring even when fully loaded with luggage. Honestly, some riders finish a full-day ride on an ST300 feeling better than they do after trying to get out of a low sofa after Sunday lunch. Shaft drive makes touring even easier because this motorcycle was clearly designed for riders who value comfort, simplicity, and real-world practicality over showing off at the local coffee stop. Despite its size, the weight disappears surprisingly well once the bike gets moving, and the smooth throttle response makes it very forgiving for mature riders who appreciate predictable handling. The ST1300 may not have the retro styling of some classic Japanese machines, but it absolutely captures that old-school Honda philosophy of building motorcycles that simply work year after year. Honda engineered this motorcycle for riders who value smoothness over drama, and for many riders over 60, that sounds exactly right. But the next bike on this list brings classic retro charm mixed with serious personality. Number 2. Suzuki GSX 1100G. Now here's a motorcycle many younger riders completely forgot existed. But older riders who know motorcycles usually smile the moment they hear the name. The Suzuki GSX 1100G was Suzuki's attempt to build a comfortable retro-style muscle tourer with shaft drive reliability. And honestly, they got a lot more right than people realize. It has that classic Japanese standard bike look with a big air and oil-cooled inline-4 engine, relaxed ergonomics, and enough torque to make highway riding feel effortless. For riders over 60, this bike feels refreshingly honest. No giant touchscreens, no confusing riding modes, no electronics menu that feels like programming a microwave from 1997. You just start it, ride it, and enjoy the road. What really makes the GSX 110-0G special for mature riders is the way it delivers power. The big inline-4 is incredibly smooth, and paired with the shaft drive, the entire bike feels calm and refined at cruising speeds. There's no chain maintenance, no constant adjustments, and no grease covering half your garage floor. At this point in life, many riders would rather spend time riding than cleaning chains with a toothbrush, like they're preparing for a military inspection. The upright seating position also helps reduce strain on the wrists, knees, and lower back, making longer rides much easier on the body. And despite its size, the bike feels surprisingly stable and predictable, especially on open highways where it just settles into a smooth, comfortable rhythm, mile after mile. Another reason older riders appreciate the GSX 1100G is its personality. Modern motorcycles sometimes feel so polished they almost become appliances, but this Suzuki still has character. The engine has a deep, satisfying growl, the retro styling turns heads without trying too hard, and the overall riding experience feels mechanical in the best possible way. It reminds many senior riders why they fell in love with motorcycles in the first place, back when bikes had soul, chrome, and enough torque to pull a house off its foundation. Sure, it's not the lightest bike in the world, and nobody's pretending it handles like a supersport machine, but that's not the point. The GSX 1100G is about comfort, simplicity, reliability, and enjoying the ride without feeling like the motorcycle is trying to win an argument with your spine. At number 1, Honda CB 1100EX. The Honda CB 1100EX feels like the kind of motorcycle designed by people who actually understand why older riders still love riding. It doesn't scream for attention with aggressive styling or futuristic gadgets that require a software update every Tuesday. Instead, it delivers something far more valuable after 60: simplicity, comfort, and timeless character. The retro styling immediately brings back memories of the golden era of motorcycling, but underneath that classic look is a machine that feels smooth, refined, and incredibly easy to live with. And honestly, there's something deeply satisfying about riding a motorcycle that doesn't look like a confused transformer. What makes the CB 1100EX especially appealing for senior riders is how relaxed and natural everything feels. The upright seating position keeps pressure off the wrists and lower back, the wide handlebars make low-speed control easy, and the air-cooled inline-4 engine delivers buttery smooth power without any drama. This bike doesn't try to break speed records, it tries to make every ride enjoyable. And thanks to the shaft drive setup, you can forget about chain maintenance entirely. No cleaning chains on your garage floor, no adjusting tension every other weekend. At this point in life, most riders would rather spend time riding than crawling around the garage looking for missing tools and knee cartilage. The ride quality itself is wonderfully calm and confidence-inspiring. Whether you're cruising through small towns, enjoying scenic country roads, or taking a relaxed highway trip, the CB 1100EX feels balanced, predictable, and refreshingly stress-free. The engine has enough torque to move effortlessly without demanding constant shifting, and the overall weight distribution makes the bike feel manageable even at slower speeds. It's the kind of motorcycle that reminds older riders why they fell in love with motorcycling in the first place, not because it's extreme, but because it simply feels good to ride. And after decades of motorcycles becoming bigger, faster, and more complicated, that kind of honest simplicity starts feeling pretty luxurious. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these motorcycles would you actually trust for your next road trip? And would you trade modern complexity for old-school comfort and simplicity? Ride safe, ride smart. And I'll see you in the next one.